Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Airwheel is probably one of the most innovative and exciting travel companions you can find today, seamlessly blending the functionality of a suitcase with the thrill of personal electric transportation, allowing you to glide through airports and city streets with unparalleled ease and style, transforming your commute or travel experience into something truly remarkable. Number 5. Delsey Helium Aero International Carry-On. Introducing the Delsey Helium Aero International Carry-On. Its lightweight yet durable polycarbonate shell is built to withstand the rigors of travel, resisting cracks and breaks. The convenient front compartment offers quick access to your essentials. It features a padded sleeve perfect for your laptop and additional pockets for accessories. Navigate through airports with ease thanks to its 4-spinner wheels. They provide a stable base and allow for smooth, multi-directional rolling with no weight on your hand. Travel with peace of mind with the integrated TSA-approved lock. Need more space? It conveniently expands up to 2 inches for extra packing capacity. Keep your belongings organized and wrinkle-free. The fully lined compartments and web straps secure your items, while multiple pockets ensure easy access. Its comfortable handle system locks into 2 positions for ultimate ease of use. All this is wrapped in a modern design with a deep, glossy finish. What we like. This carry-on offers a convenient front compartment for your laptop, perfect for business travelers or students. Its lightweight yet durable polycarbonate shell ensures it can withstand the rigors of travel. If you need quick access to your tech and prefer a resilient, expandable option, this is the one for you. What people say. The Airwheel SE3S is a fantastic option for travelers who want to combine their luggage with a mode of transportation. It's designed to be carry-on compliant, meaning you can take it with you on most flights without needing to check it in. The scooter function is surprisingly robust, allowing you to zip through airports and train stations with ease. The built-in battery is removable, which is a huge plus for charging and security. It also features a USB charging port, so you can keep your devices powered up on the go. The storage capacity is decent for a carry-on, fitting essentials for a short trip. The build quality feels solid, and it's comfortable to ride, even for adults. I was initially skeptical about a luggage scooter, but the Airwheel SE3S exceeded my expectations. The scooter part is smooth and responsive, making navigating busy terminals a breeze. The luggage itself is well constructed, with a durable shell and good internal organization. It's surprisingly spacious for its size, and the integrated lock adds an extra layer of security. The ability to charge my phone from the luggage is incredibly convenient. It's definitely made my travel experience much more enjoyable and efficient. Number 4. iPlay iLearn Unicorn Kids Luggage Set. Introducing the iPlay iLearn Unicorn Kids Luggage Set, perfect for your little traveler. This adorable set includes a hard-side suitcase and a matching backpack. The luggage is just the right size for children, measuring 18 inches tall, while the backpack is compact for essentials. Both are made from durable ABS plastic. Designed to be lightweight, it won't be a burden for your child. It's ideal for airline travel, weekend trips, or sleepovers, fostering their independence. Navigate any space with ease thanks to the 4 multi-directional spinner wheels that allow for 360-degree rolling. Pulling and pushing has never been simpler. The extendable telescoping handle adjusts to different heights, perfect for both children and parents. It's made of aluminum for durability and easy gripping. Make travel exciting with these playful unicorn designs. Your child will love pulling their own luggage, feeling like a little traveler on every adventure. What we like. Designed for young travelers, this set features a fun unicorn design that kids will love. It's lightweight, making it easy for them to manage, and comes with a matching backpack for extra storage. If you're looking for a way to make travel exciting for your child and encourage their independence, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The handle locks at a lower height that's perfect for my 3-year-old to pull and a higher height that was easy for me to use. The wheels rolled smoothly whether we were using all 4 or just 2. It is very durable and handled being tossed around without regard at the airport very well. She even sat on it at one point and let me roll her around and it was perfect. Handled her weight, 30 pounds, with ease. This suitcase is the perfect size my daughter, she's on the bigger side for her age so I was worried about it being too small but it was just right and definitely will be suitable for some time. She sat on this thing while I wheeled her around the airports and it never once seemed as though it were struggling or like it was being damaged in any way. The wheels are smooth and roll with ease and the design is still fully intact. Number 3. Mount It, Folding Luggage Cart. This lightweight cart is designed for travelers. It folds down small enough to fit in your carry-on bag, making it perfect for any trip. Don't let its size fool you. This cart has a strong frame that can carry up to 77 pounds of luggage, boxes, or groceries with ease. You can set the telescoping handle to 3 different heights for a comfortable pulling experience. It rolls smoothly on most surfaces. An integrated bungee cord keeps your items securely in place. Just wrap, hook, and lock for hands-free hauling. Setting it up or putting it away is incredibly fast. It collapses flat in one motion, making it easy to store and transport. Constructed with aluminum and steel, it's incredibly light at only 4 pounds but built to last. It offers a great balance of portability and durability. We stand by our product with a lifetime warranty and US-based customer support. Help is always available if you need it. What we like. This is an incredibly portable folding luggage cart that fits right into your carry-on. It can handle substantial weight, making it ideal for those with multiple bags or heavy items. If you often find yourself needing an extra hand to haul your belongings through airports or hotels, this cart with its secure bungee cord is a lifesaver. What people say. It folds up to put in overhead compartments and or just put into my carry-on. No more sore shoulders. Works perfectly for what I wanted. Good quality and lightweight. The design is good, it folds down to a pretty small footprint. It's plastic which makes it lightweight but it stands up to the boxes and bags I put on it. Excellent design, packs very small. Easy to use. Easy to open and close up. Wheels seem small but work fine going over curbs or stairs. Number 2. Best Ride on Cars Mercedes G-Class Suitcase. Experience the thrill of a realistic Mercedes G-Class design. This ride-on suitcase is sure to turn heads and provide endless fun for your child. It features a spacious storage compartment, perfect for your child's travel essentials. Keep their belongings organized with convenient buckles and a mesh pocket. This versatile ride-on offers 2 ways to travel. Your child can pull it along using the handle or enjoy a fun sliding experience when they're tired. Encourage your child's independence and organizational skills. This ride-on helps them develop motor skills and the ability to manage their own belongings. Designed for children aged 2 to 6, this ride-on suitcase makes an ideal gift. Its child-friendly features and smooth appearance ensure a delightful holiday experience. What we like. This unique suitcase doubles as a ride-on car, making travel fun for kids aged 2 to 6. It features ample storage for their essentials and a dual-use handle for pulling or riding. If you want to keep your child entertained and organized during trips, this is the perfect gift that combines play and practicality. What people say. The Airwheel SE3S has a built-in 29.4V 7.5Ah battery that can travel up to 10 miles on a single charge, and it can be easily removed for charging or airline compliance. The scooter has a powerful 350W motor that allows it to reach speeds of up to 7.5 miles per hour, and it can handle inclines up to 15 degrees. The luggage compartment is spacious enough to hold a 20-inch carry-on suitcase, and it features a TSA-approved lock for added security. Number 1. Smart Rideable Suitcase 26L. Tired of struggling with heavy luggage? Our revolutionary motorized suitcase makes travel effortless. Glide through airports and stations with ease, transforming your journey into an enjoyable experience. This carry-on-sized electric luggage offers a generous 26 liters of storage. Its smart compartments keep your essentials organized and accessible, perfect for any trip. Crafted from aviation-grade aluminum and high-quality ABS, this rideable suitcase is built to last. TSA-approved locks ensure your belongings are safe and pass through customs without a hitch. Equipped with a high-capacity battery and a powerful motor, it provides up to 5 miles of travel at 8 miles per hour. Plus, charge your devices on the go with convenient USB ports. We are committed to quality and rigorous testing. Buy with confidence knowing you're getting an innovative and reliable travel companion. What we like. Revolutionize your travel with this electric scooter suitcase. It offers a generous 26L of storage and allows you to effortlessly glide through terminals. If you're tired of dragging heavy luggage and want to make your airport or train station journeys faster and more enjoyable, this rideable luggage is a game changer. What people say. The motor is powerful enough to carry me and my belongings smoothly through airports and train stations. It has a surprisingly good speed and handles well, even in crowded areas. The battery life is excellent, easily lasting through long trips without needing a recharge. The suitcase also has smart features like USB charging ports, which are incredibly handy for keeping my devices powered up on the go. The companion app is intuitive and offers useful functions such as tracking and security alerts, providing peace of mind during travel. Its high-capacity battery and powerful motor make sure I never run out of power, and with speeds of up to 8 miles per hour, I'm always on time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.